Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a world of smart, innovative, and surprisingly affordable tech gadgets that can actually make a difference in your everyday life. If you've ever scrolled through Amazon and wondered which gadgets are truly worth buying, you're in the right place. We've spent hours combing through countless products, reviews, and customer feedback to compile a list of 17 cheap tech gadgets that are not just fun or quirky, but genuinely useful, practical, and designed to make your life easier, more organized, and even a little more enjoyable. Number 1. Velcase Foldable Drone. Take your adventures to new heights with the Velcase Foldable Drone, a compact powerhouse that unfolds into a full-featured flying camera. Its foldable arms make it travel-friendly, while the stabilized HD camera captures crisp aerial photos and smooth video from stunning angles. Intelligent flight modes like gesture control, altitude hold, and one-key return make piloting effortless even for beginners. It connects seamlessly to your phone for real-time FPV streaming, so you can explore landscapes or record your journeys with cinematic ease. The durable frame and gravity sensor keep it steady in light winds, making every flight confident and controlled. Number 2. Sekai Foldable Keyboard. The Sekai Foldable Keyboard transforms any surface into your workstation in seconds. With its trifold aluminum body and magnetic hinge, it opens into a full-size layout for comfortable typing and folds down small enough to slip in your pocket. Bluetooth multi-device pairing lets you switch instantly between laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Responsive scissor switch keys deliver quiet, tactile feedback, while the integrated touchpad makes cursor navigation precise. Whether working remotely or traveling light, this keyboard is the ultimate blend of portability and productivity. Your entire office folded in half. Number 3. DockSafe Chair Plus Storage. The DockSafe Chair Plus Storage redefines multifunctional furniture by merging comfort, practicality, and hidden organization. Designed for compact living, it serves as a sturdy chair that lifts open to reveal a secure, fire-resistant compartment inside. Perfect for documents, cash, or gadgets, it keeps essentials discreetly protected while blending seamlessly into your decor. Its cushioned top ensures long-term seating comfort, and the anti-slip base adds stability on any surface. For dorms, offices, or small apartments, it's an intelligent piece that saves space while safeguarding what matters most. Number 4. Car Steering Wheel Desk. Transform your parked car into a mobile workstation with the Car Steering Wheel Desk. This lightweight, clip-on surface installs instantly on most steering wheels, creating a stable table for laptops, notebooks, or meals on the go. The double-sided design offers a smooth dining tray on one side and a textured work surface on the other. Crafted from high-strength ABS plastic, it's sturdy yet slim enough to store behind your seat when not in use. Ideal for travelers, remote workers, or anyone spending long hours in their vehicle, this clever accessory turns downtime into productive time. Number 5. Ki-Style Car Mount. Keep your phone secure and perfectly visible with the Ki-Style Car Mount. Its strong magnetic attachment and adjustable 360-degree swivel provide effortless one-hand operation, ensuring safe navigation without distraction. The sleek aluminum body complements any dashboard, while the reinforced adhesive base holds firm even on bumpy roads. A minimalist design hides powerful N52 magnets that deliver a rock-solid grip without interfering with wireless charging. Compact, elegant, and reliable, this is the kind of mount that feels like it's built right into your car. Number 6. Laundron Waterproof Tent. Whether you're camping in the rain or chasing sunsets by the lake, the Laundron Waterproof Tent has your back. Made from tear-resistant Oxford fabric with fully sealed seams, it guarantees dryness and comfort in unpredictable weather. The pop-up frame design allows setup in minutes, and the dual-layer ventilation system keeps airflow fresh even overnight. Reinforced poles withstand strong gusts, while the reflective strips enhance visibility in low light. Spacious enough for 2 adults, it's the ideal companion for spontaneous getaways, hiking trips, or backyard glamping under the stars. Number 7. Portable Shower. Stay clean and refreshed anywhere with the portable shower. This compact gadget transforms a bucket of water into a powerful, handheld shower stream. The rechargeable pump provides steady pressure for up to an hour of continuous flow, perfect for camping, beach trips, or emergency use. Its lightweight hose and suction mount let you hang or stick it wherever needed, even to car windows or tree branches. Designed for mobility, it recharges via USB and packs neatly into its own carrying bag, ensuring you're never without a quick rinse when adventure gets messy. Number 8. Feppo Food Warming Mat. Keep every meal warm and ready to enjoy with the Feppo Food Warming Mat. Using safe, energy-efficient heating technology, it maintains ideal serving temperature for dishes, coffee, or even baby bottles. The slim, flexible mat fits under plates, trays, or pots, spreading warmth evenly across its surface. With simple touch control settings and an anti-slip base, it's perfect for dinner tables, office desks, or buffets. Easy to wipe clean and store, it adds a touch of everyday convenience for anyone who loves food served just right. Number 9. Electric Herb Grinder. Simplify meal prep with the electric herb grinder. A compact yet powerful tool that pulverizes dried herbs, spices, or coffee beans at the touch of a button. The stainless steel blades spin at high speed to deliver uniform texture and aroma without overheating. Its transparent lid lets you monitor the grind, while the safety lock prevents accidental starts. Lightweight and rechargeable, it's portable enough to bring to picnics or outdoor cookouts. From seasoning mixes to herbal blends, this gadget gives your kitchen an instant upgrade in both precision and flavor. Number 10. Willed Sensor Night Light. The Willed Sensor Night Light brings both safety and convenience to your home with smart motion detection. It illuminates hallways, bathrooms, or closets automatically when it senses movement, eliminating the need to fumble for switches in the dark. Its soft, warm LED glow is gentle on the eyes, perfect for nighttime navigation without disturbing sleep. Compact and energy efficient, it can be mounted anywhere with adhesive strips or screws, offering effortless installation and reliable lighting whenever you need it. Number 11. Vacuum Seal Backpack. Travel smarter with the Vacuum Seal Backpack, designed for ultimate space optimization. Its integrated vacuum compartment compresses clothes, bedding, or travel gear to save space without wrinkling essentials. The durable material resists tears and spills, while reinforced straps and ergonomic padding make long commutes comfortable. With multiple pockets and compartments, organization becomes effortless, and the compact design allows it to fit under seats or carry-on spaces. Ideal for travelers, students, or anyone maximizing efficiency on the move. Number 12. G-Key Keychain Multi-Tool. Carry functionality wherever you go with the G-Key Keychain Multi-Tool. Tiny yet surprisingly versatile, it combines a screwdriver, bottle opener, box cutter, wrench, and more into a sleek metal design that fits on any keyring. Its lightweight construction ensures portability without sacrificing durability, and the ergonomic design allows precise, comfortable operation. Perfect for quick fixes, outdoor adventures, or everyday situations where an extra hand is handy, this multi-tool proves that big solutions can come in small packages. Number 13. Yavita Dish Soap Dispenser. Upgrade your kitchen experience with the Yavita Dish Soap Dispenser. Its touch-free operation ensures hygienic use, reducing mess and cross-contamination, while the refillable bottle accommodates liquid soaps of your choice. The smart sensor dispenses just the right amount every time, avoiding waste and making cleanup faster. With a sleek, modern design and compact footprint, it fits seamlessly into any kitchen counter setup. Durable and easy to clean, it turns everyday washing into a smarter, more efficient routine. Number 14. Berlinzo Ice Ball Maker. Take your drinks to the next level with the Berlinzo Ice Ball Maker. It produces perfectly round ice spheres that melt slower than standard cubes, keeping beverages cool longer without dilution. Made from food-grade silicone, it's flexible, non-stick, and easy to remove once frozen. Ideal for whiskey, cocktails, or iced tea, it adds a professional touch to home bars or parties. Its compact, stackable design allows freezer storage without mess, making it a practical yet stylish gadget for drink enthusiasts everywhere. Number 15. Jewelry Organizer Stand. Organize and display your jewelry in style with the Jewelry Organizer Stand. It features multiple hooks, trays, and compartments for necklaces, rings, bracelets, and earrings, keeping everything visible and tangle-free. The sleek design doubles as decor, while its compact footprint fits on dressers, vanities, or countertops. Crafted from durable materials, it withstands daily use while maintaining elegance. Whether for personal use or gifting, it ensures that your accessories remain accessible, orderly, and always ready to wear. Number 16. ONXE LED USB Clock Fan. Beat the heat and stay punctual with the ONXE LED USB Clock Fan. Combining a refreshing airflow with a programmable LED clock display, It's perfect for desks, bedrooms, or office spaces. Its quiet, bladeless design ensures minimal noise while delivering steady cooling. Powered via USB, it's energy efficient and portable, allowing you to take it anywhere with your laptop or power bank. The LED display is fully visible and customizable, blending practicality and fun into one compact gadget. Number 17. Simple Taste Milk Frother. Elevate your beverages with the Simple Taste Milk Frother, a fast, handheld device that creates silky foam for lattes, cappuccinos, and hot chocolate. Its stainless steel whisk spins at high speed to generate dense, creamy froth in seconds, transforming ordinary milk into cafe-style perfection. Lightweight and battery-operated, it's portable enough for home, office, or travel use. Easy to clean and simple to operate, this frother brings professional-quality results to your kitchen with minimal effort. And there you have it, 17 cheap Amazon tech gadgets that are actually worth buying. From drones and keyboards to kitchen hacks and travel essentials, these gadgets prove that innovation doesn't have to break the bank. Each product is designed to make life smarter, easier, and more fun. Found a favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know which one you'd try first. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more clever, budget-friendly tech finds every week. Stay savvy, stay smart, and keep discovering. So sit back, relax, and let's jump into 17 cheap Amazon tech gadgets that are actually worth buying. You won't just want them, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them.